Mark with the Channel Aceman 307. Today I want to show you how I do these Inkjet printer photo transfers. The secret to this whole thing is the wax paper. The paper that I use is actually the backing of these clear sticky film. And this wax paper, again, that's the secret to making this work. Now what I use is a flat clear acrylic paint, spray paint, and you spray the wax paper on the shiny side, the smooth side, with that, and you let it dry. Now after it dries, then you apply regular white Elmer's glue, regular white glue, and you spread that evenly over the paint. So you've painted it, and then you spread this over that. And what the spray paint does is it allows the glue to be spread evenly on top of it, of this wax paper, without bubbling up. Now I let that dry in the sun until it's totally dry, and now it's ready to print on. And this is just a regular inkjet printer. And I have a project that I'm doing a bunch of flags. I'm actually transferring a bunch of flags to some stools that I'm making. So if it's critical for the direction, you will have to mirror this, because when you put this on, it's the opposite direction. So for this flag, the Costa Rican flag, it doesn't matter which direction, but for other flags, you will have to reverse it here. These are some of the other photos that I did. The Brazilian flag, Australian flag, those have to be reversed. Now I'm putting it on this plywood, and I'm using these as my guide to how I lay out these flags. The first thing you need to do to treat the wood that I found, you don't have to do it, but it seems like it gives you a better finish, is you put a layer of the white Elmer's glue over the area that you're going to stick the print to, and then you go ahead and let that dry. Then once that dries in the sun, you bring it back, you lay it out again. However, now add another layer of the white glue over the existing layer that you dried earlier. For me, I found that seems to give a better finish to the overall print when you're done. So don't pull it up. Try to keep it pretty thin. The layer needs to be pretty thin. And then now place the paper over the area, and then smooth it out. And try to get any bubbles or anything, work it out, and then let that dry in the sun. Now after this dries, you can just take the corner and peel it off. It peels off really easy. And now you've transferred the photo to the wood. Now this is something these are a couple of other flags. I'm doing 40 different flags, so this is just a couple of other ones to show you how they turned out. And sometimes you do get little bubbles. You can pop those with a needle and push those out. But for what I'm doing, this turned out pretty good. Okay, so after I'm done transferring all these flags to the stools, I will assemble the stools and polyurethane them. And next week when I deliver this project, I'll take some videos and some pictures and post them so you guys can see the finished project. So like always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.